These are literally full of sand. Watch this. I'll blow this guy out again. Woo!
She drops down.
I'm gonna turn this thing into a beast. All right, I'm hijacking your channel just for a minute. Is that okay?
Got it.
Okay, day one. We've got the Jeep lift kit here. Bought it in Vegas for a couple $100.
Yep.
Transmission, new transmission, but not new. We picked it up at a dirty lot. Any of these, you can go check out my video to see how we accumulated all this crap, but day one, we're gonna turn this thing into a beast.
A beast.
A beast, a super cheap, oh wait, that's the name of it. This is the cheap.
The cheap Jeep.
Look at these tires. Got those off Facebook Marketplace. And now, you wanna build it?
Got an axle.
Oh, there's an axle on the ground.
Well, let's build it.
Let's go. Remove the battery trays. Now we can fit our big old tires. Travis, what's next?
We're gonna pull this power steering module off that we're using the front one.
Okay.
Mounts from the LS. We're gonna get underneath and get this wiring on. It's pulled out that way.
Okay.
And out of here, and
Tranny out.
transmission's got to be dropped out. We're not using that. Yep.
Okay.
Those are the next things.
Let's keep going. All right, dropping this transmission now. Let's go.
I'll get my hand in there this time.
Yeah, go on.
Woo! Okay, pull that bad boy down. Just twist that knob and let her see if she drops down.
To the left, yeah.
Well, the exhaust might still be connected up under there, so I can come check that out. Little wrench, that little tip.
Oh, this guy's mounted to the transmission.
Yeah, I'm gonna undo.
So, gotta grind these out now on both sides so that this can fully articulate. Get these upper arms now connected. Lower arms are in. Two old men doing old man things.
All right, we dropped the transmission. We got it all disconnected. We're going to cut the exhaust off and slide that transmission out of here and get it out of here.
What is this, a Friday night outside of Walmart?
Exactly. Cutting cats out of eagles for a few extra bucks. Right here. Set me up for a good party this weekend.
All right, next stage of this Jeep. We've got the LS right there. And we've got all of our parts, rockers, rocker trays, everything. But now, Eldon, what's everyone gathering around the LS for right now?
The threads are a little dirty.
It's just a little bit of rust. It's just a little bit of rust. So
Just a little bit of rust. Just a little bit of rust.
Listen,
So,
WD-40 brush.
Yeah.
You got little brushes? You got any of those little brushes?
Yeah, we do. Got a bunch.
Yeah, take some WD-40 because that goes down into the water jet. Right?
we call this Rick Says. So, this is what Rick says. There we go. All right, new plan because the cam was not fitting in there, so we got to do some research on that. So, what are we gonna do now?
We're gonna put the windage tray, oil pan, sump, oil pump on. So.
Okay. So I'll change the gears for a second. All right, are we halfway yet?
No.
Are we there yet?
No.
Are we there yet?
No.
Are we there yet?
Now you know how it feels.
Yeah.
Just kidding. No, we're so much closer. We got all the parts here, and yeah, we're gonna throw this back into time-lapse mode. And what else? Oil pan, cover. What else are we doing?
Heads, lifters, all the fun stuff.
Let's do it.
So you guys, we just got the front and rear cover on there with the gaskets. We just got the oil pan on there. Now we're gonna put the lifters in with the lifter tray, get onto the heads with the rockers, get everything torqued down. Let's go. So I finally found the right tool, made for it. Just a thread chaser for the head bolts. So Now we're just gonna clean out all of them 100%. So there's no rust and the bolt doesn't get torqued down at the wrong place. So let's do that.
These are literally full of sand. Watch this. I'll blow this guy out again. Look at that. Sand is just literally coming down all over.
Oh my
what
gosh.
in the world?
Oh, look, you can literally see. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you have fun with that.
Yeah. All right. Cleaned them all out. Ran the tool through everything. Blew them all out. Let them dry. Now it's time to flip it back over. Now to put the head gaskets back on and then run the bolts into them. All right, we're splitting sides. Now I'm doing this side and Helen's doing that side. So push rods?
Yep. Put them in.
You're like, Jace, that is not where they go. Caroline. All right, cranking down the head bolts, doing it very precisely. Yo, Eldon, why are you taking that off?
Because we need to clean the holes better. Yeah, they're super rusty and grainy.
Ah! Hulk smash! We may never get this block built. Just kidding. We will. Someday. All right, look at all that sand. So.
All right, guys, we're gonna torque down these heads now. And there's a specific sequence in which you do it for ARP bolt heads, which we have for this motor. Right side of the washer goes down to the engine head, the heads. You gotta use a lubricant on the threads and on the bolt head, like the bottom of it. So we're just gonna do all that and start torquing them down in a sequence.
And then we're gonna put it all back together, right, Eldon?
Yep.
I told him to go work on the rat rod so I could work on this stupid thing. Not stupid. It's gonna be epic still. Just a lot more work than we thought. All right, Eldon's still getting a couple things done over there, but got some new stuff in. Let's see what we got. They literally spray great stuff just to like secure everything in. It's literally just like nasty all inside the box. Look at this.
Oh my gosh.
All right, oh my gosh. What in the world?
Use them muscles.
For real. That's why they don't ship to California. They say just removing this stuff causes cancer. God.
Almost there.
Okay. Come on. This has got to be the craziest packing job ever.
More protein.
Okay, so I got the right side of this one off, but the left side of that one off. What do you do?
Cut the box.
Yeah, let's. There we go.
Oh, that's gonna look so sick.
Look at that.
That is so sick.
What do you think, Travis? I've got an issue.
Okay.
It comes to right here. That's where we removed those battery boxes.
Well, that'll cut off.
So we'll see, but this is farther forward than it was before.
So if that goes forward, it may not be an issue. But
Yeah.
how is it mounted to?
Right here.
Oh, this mounts to here. So
Yeah,
this isn't even
this
necessary.
will mount to that, but it's not necessary. So they're in. We got them. We'll see what we do with them.
So you guys, heads all torqued down, rockers, push rods, all in there, valve covers on. We got to get some gaskets for them. All the ones we had were bad. So now we're putting in the knock sensors. We're just gonna tighten them down. Valley cover on with like a new gaskets. Motor should be done. All right, guys, getting the valley cover plate on there. The knock sensors. We're gonna get the intake on. Motor's done. We're good. That's super easy. Just sit on there, slide right in.
It's nice to have something super easy for a chicken.
Yeah, no kidding. So on there.
Come on. There we go.
Yeah, we'll just get the bolts for the intake. And
We won't bore you guys with the rest of that. That is the end of this video. Next, we have all of the axle work, suspension work, body lift, dropping this in, and actually getting the Jeep running. So stay tuned for the next video. There's a couple cool things up here. See you soon.
Yeah, see you soon.